Hi, I'm Cariaga from Guru Yoga, and today I'm going to show you how to do yoga on your SUP. Start off in butterfly pose. Take a deep inhale as you ground the heels, and then lift the hips to extend on the exhale. Chest rises, knees towards the front of the SUP. You can use your hands to support the lower back, giving you a lift as the heels also rise. Take a breath in. Interlace the hands, extend the arms, and then breathe out. Grounding the hips back to the floor, sit your hands up by pressing them into the back of the SUP before lifting. Pressing the heels into the SUP and then rising. Long inhales and then fluid, effortless exhales. Tuck your chin under as you come back down. Breathing in into butterfly as you breathe out. Lifting the hips, the right leg rises. Inhale the heel into the sky. Grounding the left foot into the floor as you exhale. With a slight lift, gently ground the right ankle on top of the left knee. This will open up your hip. Take the leg back up and then switch sides. Left leg rises, breathing in. And then slowly lowering to the right knee as you exhale. Continue to lift from the hips on your next inhale. Before coming back down, emptying the lungs. Knees to chest, breathing in. And then back out. As you extend the fingertips, press the heels into the floor. Set up for your fish. With a slight arch in the lower back, lift the chest. A deep breath in, and then grounding the crown of the head on the SUP as you exhale. You can take your hands in prayer, your heart space, or extend them over your head. Opening up the chest just a little bit more. Modify by lifting the feet into the full fish position. Take a long inhale, stretch it out, and then come back to centering. Exhale. For more advanced, take the fingertips to the edges of your hips, extend the heels with straight legs, and let the crown of the head rest at the edge of your SUP. Take a deep breath in, and then lift the hips off the floor as you exhale. Core engaged, land softly on your mat, and then cross your legs. Namaste.